What's up, guys? You know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy here, coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we have a 2008 Dodge Sprinter, and I'm going to show you how to get to this speaker and replace it with your own. This is the type of thing that you're into. Please consider subscribing. This is what we do here, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is take off these two little cover pieces. The cover pieces hide I want to say it's like a T20 torque screw. Just want to pop that off. That's one. All right, and that's two. Next thing we want to do is you want to take this handle off. It's going to give you one more T20 there, one more right there. Next, you want to come down here. And when we remove that down, it's going to reveal another Torx right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go ahead and take those out. So now I'm just popping the clips. I need to lift it up over this part right here. Alright. Next we're going to come down. That just pulls out. With this part, you gotta slide, you gotta pop it out of this little thing right here. And then alright. So first, this part right here, see how it moves? So when that metal part is inside that hole, this thing right here is going to clamp over like that. You have to remove that part off, and it's easier to do it once you pop this out of there first. And I do want to apologize. These bolts right here that's holding the door on are a T25 torque, and these right here that's holding the speaker on is a T20 torque. So we're going to go ahead and take out the speaker harness. Take out all 4 T20s. Went on ahead, this thing does not have a speaker harness, so I went on ahead and made my connection here. We just did a military splice with the speaker wire that actually came with the 5¼ inch speakers. You may look at some diagrams and it may say you have a 6.5 in here. Well, with this 2008, it does not have 6.5, it actually has 5¼ so make sure you take your door panel off first. Check what size you got before you actually go buy a pair of speakers. You will thank me later. So here we did the military splice and tape. I don't know if they made a speaker harness for this or he just didn't buy it, but either way we didn't absolutely need it because we were able to make our connection here. Now it doesn't have a speaker bracket, but we're not going to be able to line this back up because as you can see on the factory speaker, it has that little I don't want to call it like a ridge, but it is kind of lifted up right here. And on our aftermarket speaker is very thin. So even if I was to put this on there, putting the screw into this is not going to actually secure this. So what I want to do is pop these top 2 off. And then we're just gonna mount it straight to this foam pad right here, right in front of the metal, and then we're gonna use some self-tapping speakers to mount it to the door. I wish we had a bracket, but we're scrapped for time, and he really just needed these speakers put in, so let's do it. Alright, y'all, that's about it for this one, man. If you guys found any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I will have all the product links in the description and that Patreon link. For those who want to be a furthermore supporter, will be in the description as well. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all have a blessed day.